Severe thunderstorm warning for Lake County in northeastern Illinois, northeastern King County in northeastern Illinois, McHenry County in northeastern Illinois, northern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 2:30 p.m. At 1 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Woodstock to Elgin, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts sensing pong-ball-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Chicago, Elgin, Waukegan, Arlington Heights, Evanston, Schaumburg, Palatine, Skokie, Des Plaines, Mount Prospect, Glenview, Buffalo Grove,
Northeastern Illinois,
Streamwood, Hanover Park, Carpentersville, Wheeling, and Park Ridge, including the following interstates.
Northern Cook County, northeastern Illinois, until 2:30 p.m. Central Time. At 1 o'clock p.m. Central Time.
290 between mile markers 1 and 4. Interstate 294 between mile markers 1 and 40. This includes Open Community College, Schaumburg Boomers Baseball, Chino Lakes State Park, College of Lake County, Elgin Community College, Great Lakes Naval Training Center, Harper College, Lake County, Illinois Fairgrounds, Lake Forest College, McHenry County College, McHenry County Fairgrounds, Moraine Hills State Park, Northwestern University, Ravinia Music Festival, and Six Flags Great America. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is NOAA's Weather Radio.
Waukegan, Arlington Heights, Evanston, Schaumburg.